Hello everyone, we have explored many features of WhatsApp and this is one of those and very interesting. So you have to go to the chat option of your phone and let's try video note. How do we do that? Earlier was introduced to WhatsApp. I didn't know how to actually use it, but now that I know, I'll show you. Tap on the camera option and you will have three options: video, photo and voice note. When you tap here, you will see a circular camera option. You can record it by tapping on that start button and you can pause it right away. See on top it is being recorded. This is my bed sheet and I can flip the camera. I can delete this, the one which I'm recording. So by tapping on the camera option on the chat location and now tapping on voice note, I can record it. I can recheck it and see if I'm tapping on the camera option besides the voice note one and holding it, so it is being recorded as I did. When I tap on the camera option, I select the voice note, right? So you can do it either ways, either hold it, slide it to cancel, or just record it, or you can also lock it as we do in voice note, right? So this is an interesting feature when you have to send a quick video to someone, right? And I can show you this is being played right away in the chat without tapping or like opening it directly. It also has feature of lighting also, and that is how we use the feature of video note. See you in the next video. Tada.